Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Digitonic 1 once again. All right, guys, got some Cash Explosion tickets here and a couple of Queen of Hearts. Hopefully, we got the sweet spot of the book somewhere. Let's see here. We shall see. We shall see. Let's start off with these Cash Explosions here. Got 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Let's start off with number 8. Zoom in here. There we go. All right. Matching numbers game. And we got the bonus section going on right here. The 5X, 10X, or the entry to be eligible for the TV game show. All right. Prizes you can win on this ticket are right there. All the way up to 10,000 bananas. Let's get to scratching. The bonus section on ticket number 8. What do we got? We got a 10X. We got a 10X going on there. All right. Let's see what we got down here. Got a 26, and a number 2. 26 and a 2. All right. Let's see here. Got the 4, 17. 13, number 12, the 6, number 3, a 22, 21, a 7, and a number 9. All right, no love on that one. No love on that one. Hopefully we can find something on this 007. License to Thrill. Let's see what we got in the bonus section. It's a 5Xer. 5 times the money. What's the numbers here? 24 and an 11. 24 and 11. A 16. 12, 28, 22, 23, then number 3, a 20. Oh, we got a win. We got a win there. Number 11, 21, and a number 2. All right. Underneath the 11 for 5 times the money. And we got the $5 winner. All right. So a little come up there, a little come up, a whole dollar. All right. The Queen of Hearts. Let me back off a little bit here. There we go. Got 39 and 38. Oh, this one's got a back scratcher too. Got the back scratcher going on the Queen of Hearts here. Let's see, where are the particulars? There they are. Let's read the particulars and make fun of them as always. If any one or more of your numbers match either of the winning numbers, you win the prize shown below your matching numbers. Reveal a coin symbol and win the prize, and win that prize automatically. Reveal a Queen of Hearts symbol and win all 10 prizes shown on this side. What? On this side. Each side played separately. Oh, okay. So you just looking for that, or if you get the Queen of Hearts, you win all 10 prizes. All right. Let's scratch off. Let me back off again. Let's scratch off the winning numerals and see what they contain. Number 6. A number 11. A number 2. And a 29. Those are the winning numerals. Let's go down here. 26, 27, 39, 38, and a 33. All right. Number 9, 17, 15, a 30, and a 21. All right, no love there. 23, a 16, 35, number 4, and the 40 ouncer. All right, side number 2. Winning symbol. Let's see. Got the key and a bow. A key and a bow. Key and a bow. Oh no, a key and a bow. All right. So let's see if we can find a queen or a bow or the queen of hearts. Oh, it's a crown. A shoe. A nugget. And an emerald. What was that there? That looks like that's pretty big numbers. Woo, $10,000. Wow. The gold nugget. Let's see. Clover. A camera. A bell. A little hat. And a chest. And our wallet. All right, no love on that one. All right, let's go back off here a little bit. Ticket number 38. Ticket number 38 is the Queen of Hearts. Here we go. The winning numeral, or numerals, 35, a 5, 36, and 31. Ooh, 30s, fully fun. All right, here we go. 27, 15, number 10, 19, 23, 14, 11, 13, and number 4, 37, 21, 32, 17, 22, and a 40 ouncer. All right, let's go back to the back side. All right, there we go. The winning winning symbols, or the Queen of Hearts. Let's see what the winning symbols are. Oh, it's a guitar. A guitar and a camera. All right. Guitar and camera, or a Queen of Hearts. I have a clover. A shoe. Little key. A rainbow. And an anchor. There. A nugget. Let's see if there's a big one under the nugget again. That is $25. All right. A bow tie. Bow tie. A cell phone. A freaking cell phone. Really? A crown. And what do we got here? A wallet. All right, so no love on the Queen of Hearts. No love on the Queen of Hearts. Just a little bitty Just a little bitty 5X there. Just a little 5Xer there. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Digitonic 1, over and out.